Oh, good morning. It's day 2 on Loch Etive. Let's see what we're going to get up to today. We've came into a slight problem. We're getting taken by the sea. We've jumped in the Skoda. We're going to go get some butties for our bacon butties this morning. That tree, that lake, that river is high as hell. Look at the trees over there. Woo! You're not seeing it. It's the village shop. You alright, mate? Just need to hope that they take care. What? Hope that they take care. Sorted then. Couple of those for the bacon. Bacon boys. Oh, some homemade black pudding. That sounds good.
Creamy sauce for a quid.
What about two slices? 2 slices of black pudding and two square?
Aye, 2 square sausages.
Aye, some fancy some is here.
Buzz it. That is a steak. Beat fine. Oh, it's a golden haggis.
Thank you, pal. We'll hit by card if that's okay.
What's the golden haggis award? Just the best haggis?
Melbourne, at the Winter Festival. There was a Winter Festival in November.
Oh, aye, Winter's grants a boot.
March won it a couple of times.
I like the statue. I like the wee medal.
Have a good day, pal.
Right,
See you
catch you later. Thank you. Lovely. Oh, hello doggy. Hello doggy. Sorry, did you just hear that? She just won. She caught the golden haggis. Start off with a nice butcher's square sausage roll. Roll at the butcher, no, rolls at the shop. Square sausage at the butcher's. Got some black pudding there too. So black pudding and bacon roll next, but let's see what this square saying about. Crack 'em. That is dirty. The car park is dried up now. Just for context, if you don't know, we were fishing here last night and high tide came through the night. We didn't realise, opened the van door and we were about 6 inches deep in water in the van. So this is where we are. This is Loch Etive, just before Oban at Tainelt. We're fishing off the jetty here, and then the van's all the way over there. Look how low the tide is now. And yeah, the entire car park was underwater. So I'll not be staying here tonight. We're going to need to find somewhere new to go. But we've just had our breakfast, had a coffee. It's actually about 10 o'clock, so let's see what the day has got to offer. Right, so we're still trying out the new rod. I've got a nice wee £25 felly. Cheap and cheerful, does the trick. See how it goes. Just going to chuck a little 30-gram spinner. Something along the lines of that anyway. Right, we don't know what to cast the swans. I don't know what to get the jail. Where did I even go?
You want me to carry over this bit onto the grass?
Right, Andy's going to get me over this bit here. You can hug me, aye. going to go back and get that.
You want some?
See, Andy's fit.
Ah, it's just the inbreeding of the swans.
Right, we've got over to the island thanks to Andy. That's some deep water there. Hopefully now we can get right deep in this loch. Woo. Literally just keeps snagging this grass all the time. We'll test this rod. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Ah. It's just grass, like the tide's that high, we're so far out. Really any more. Come on. What the hell? The grass has so much play.
I'm actually like really close to where you're lower up.
What, you see it?
I mean, if I cross this, I might go.
Oh, I got it, free. I think. Oh yes. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Got it. Look at that glorious sunshine though. Andy's trying to get himself further out. Oh, that's high on the welly. Mate, you do realise, right, that you've actually just left me abandoned. Like I'm stuck on an island right now, mate. And you've digged me. You brought me onto this thing and you've just patched these. You went all the way over there.
It's alright, tide will go down.
Couple of hours time, you bastard. Since the tide's that strong, if I was just to like hold this like that, surely that spinner's just tight against it, just they've just the current's just pulling it down there. Like I don't think I'm snagged. I think it's just staying in the one spot, just what a fucking rod this, by the way. Look at that. Whoa! That's 90. Aye, that river over there is pretty fucking dead. So we came over to the jetty. See, this is, give this a wee go. The currents are just way too strong over there. It's literally dragging you. If you chuck it over there and you're down there in seconds. So. The fish are active. I've just had a few jumps there. This is just a straight drop off the edge of this jetty. Same at the end there, so don't know how deep it is. I'll maybe put the rod in a minute. Andy's getting a wee photo of a swan. We were just saying, I wonder what swan tastes like. I bet it's like, we were thinking it maybe tastes like duck. So you could have like a swan and hoisin wrap. Sounds lovely, I'm not gonna lie. Because I mean, what are they actually gonna do, right? If you were to accidentally, or not even accidentally, if you were to just come across a dead swan, you know? There's no point in letting it go to waste. You might as well try it. But aye, one day I might come across a dead swan. What a cast! There's absolutely no fish as usual. Or is it just me that can't catch a fish? Can't even get a starfish? Or a crab? Nothing. Not even on the bait, spinner. I need to try a new spot. What do you think, Andy?
New spot.
I need to go find somewhere. Go fucking smash fucking fish. Don't know if you can even see that. Oh, I definitely see that rainbow. So Andy's just realised after 24 hours of taking footies with his black and white film camera. What did you forget today?
I didn't have any film in it.
You what?
I didn't have any film in it.
You what?
No film.
I never even put the roll of film in the camera. 40 footies deep. Right, we've headed for the jetty now, but quick stop off. God knows how you're meant to get in this thing. Yeah, see you soon. Fuck's sake, John. Who's left that? Right, that's us left Tainelt now. We're heading into Dunbeg. Gonna put some fuel in, then we're gonna go to some certain castle. We're gonna have a, oh, I'm fucking flying down this road without even realising. We're gonna have a wee spin out there, and then a wee spin at North Connell Bridge. And we've got a few bits to stop on the way back, so aye, let's see how it goes. Let's get on this drive, John. Spanked. That was well needed after being in the sea last night. Let's get some fueling out of here. Squeaking. Wheels are definitely gonna need smashed again, but they'll do it now. Oh, definitely not be putting a lot in here. Well, it's no quite a Costa, but I got a caramel latte for $2.50. I'll take that. I'll take that. So Andy's round there to, he's give his car a wee clean, and then we're going round to Dunstaffage Castle. Let's go see what's happening round there. I think I've came the wrong way. Andy stopped following me. Where's Andy went? Andrew, where are you? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes, big bum chum. Right, we're following him now. I didn't think I was going the right way. What do you think of this angle for a POV? Oh, big corner. It's actually pretty sick. Gate shuts at 4 o'clock. Why go in the single spot, Andy? You fucking fandang. Absolute fandang. I'm not fitting anywhere near that, brother. I'm alone in this big ass car park. What's your jealous bit? Look at that! Caramel latte. Oh mate, it came to £22.52, right? And I had £22.50 on my Monzo card and no signal. I couldn't put money in my card and it kept fucking declining, and I was like, fuck, what do I do? 2 spinners in hand. Gonna head round the back of Dunstaffage Castle. Now this is an Andy Hennessy special spot, so he's taking us deep into the woods. I mean, you seen what he put us through last night, so fuck knows what's going to happen today. But after this one, I don't think I'll be taking any more advice off you. Nice views of the castle behind us, so I'll give you that, Ian. I'll give you that, Ian. First cast out. It's a bit slippy slidey, like, I must admit. Bit dodgy on the rock. But here's my first cast out. Major swells. I need to get up there first. We're going to go and move along a little bit and see if there's any slightly better marks like further around the castle. This one's just a bit dead on high tide, low tide. Through the woods we go. Brother, we got a gang hut. That's a gang and a half, by the way. Not seen your eyes in years. Oh, mate, tell you what, if I was 16 again, there would be some amount of birds getting fingered in there. Like, it's looking a bit more promising, bud, but it's still like big ass drop, steep, slimy rock. But I like it slimy. Whoo, that is steep. Don't know if you can see that in the distance, North Connell Bridge. Handy, I see this gone bad, mate. Go and watch yourself. That's just like straight slip. I should actually keep filming them. It has convinced me. It probably looks like nothing as well with the camera out, but it's scary, alright? Scary to me. Fuck. Whoa. Had to be done. So that's just a drop. I'm just fishing straight down the drop. Nothing's happening, like absolutely fuck all the now. Oh. It's just no our day today. It's no our day for the fish. It's definitely a common used fishing spot though. There's peeler crab legs lying everywhere. There's more there. So there's folk out with the bait. Wee fire pit in fact. There's folk out with the bait. Oh, here they're here. Hundreds of them. Hundreds. Either that or all they're catching is crabs. Because I've had that before as well. Gonna get an Andy cast POV. Get the cast action going. I don't know how you're gonna do it. I'm standing right here. Oh shit, I'm falling.
You got a foot on top of me and push me in the water.
I'm not going to fall, trust me.
Sure? Are you positive?
I'm on, I'm settled.
You said it?
I'm settled, I'm settled.
Sure? You stirred it? Think it.
Whoa, look at that. Right, we're gonna move round a wee bit further again, keep looking. If no, we'll probably get in the vans and head to the next destination. Because we've got a great day for it. So we might as well just donder a bit, see what's happening. But as you can see from there, look how high up the seaweed's coming up the rocks here. You've got absolutely no chance of getting anywhere near the water. That's mad. How they built that? How they get him out that door? You had to have a fucking relay license to enter the castle. Whoa! I could see it coming, like. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Aye, that's where they take the shite out of. See that wee hole up there? They chuck the jobies. What did they shout again? Tally ho! Gardyloo, I knew something like that. Aye, back to the car park now. I was dead. Can I get 2 pints of Guinness, please? So I've decided we're going to go check out a wee Kirk. Well, it's not quite a wee Kirk, actually that's quite mad. And funnily enough, I am on Kirk Road. Where? This Kirk is minted, like, I'll have to admit. So, cut to the Kirk. Kirking it a bit. Woo! This is all so crazy. Everybody loves so baby. These songs on. What you singing about, Jay-Z? Let's Ken. Stop singing that song, the butterflies fly away. So aye, we've came down to St. Conans Kirk. Looks pretty interesting actually. Oh, that's pretty cool actually. That's a big ass Kirk. Kirkin. Alright, John. Oh, what's happening then? This place is minted. I'm liking it. Will we go inside? I think we should. Hello. Got some visitors. Stay a wee catwalk. They would have enjoyed that. They would have enjoyed that. Order. This is cool, man. This is cool. Bruce Chapel. Check out this den. Is it UK based? I don't know. I don't know where Andy is. Like, I'm just kicking about here myself. I like it though. Oh. Nah, I better know. I better know. It's nice though. It's a nice wee cubby hole, that one. Oh, it's a love heart. You get what's been happening here. You know what's been happening. Young boys beware. Trapped them in the corner. We need to find Andy. Come on, Joe. In the courtyard. I've lost Andy. Oh, funny, I just said that. I've lost Andy. You been inside?
No,
I've been inside for ages.
Mate, because I was wondering, I was walking about and I was wondering where you were.
Oh, you do want to know what I've been up to. You do not want to know. It's a nice wee courtyard, this too. This is where they lock up the little boys. The little boys come out to play. And then obviously they've got the love heart corner. That's where they take the little boys at night time. Poem 2 from John. Yo, I really like that cardi. Bought that for my birthday party. I know that it's only a cardigan, but I want to know, where's that cardigan? That was a great service by John there. Lovely poem, lovely poem. Just went back through, out the back door. Alright. Much prefer the back door. Oh, is this like tombs? Whoa. On you wins, on you I can't read. I think they're like tombs. Nah, maybe not, because he'll be going through him. And I mean, he might like it. That is a bit of drainage if I've ever seen one, by the way. Pops out of there, runs down that, and comes out that wee hole. Look, oh, they're all like that. That is some fucking, that's some like 3rd century plumbing right there. Look, there's the hole for the tube. Down there, like a wee channel, and it's coming out the roof. That's fucking sick. I'm not being funny, but I've seen plumbing leaking after 6 months. That's leaking, but it looks cool. So this must be like doing it at the crypt level now. Oh aye. I don't know if you can see any of that, but we're doing with the crypts. If you can see in there. Oh, that's the crypt there properly. Found it. There's like some sort of in there. See if I can find any other openings. That's definitely the crypt. Ah, that's sick, man. I've lost Andy again, but got some big mummies. This one. Right. Gonna need to find him. Sorry. Should just show his name. Sorry, I was talking to myself. I didn't think they even understood a word I said. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Where the fuck's Andy? Where is he? Hello? Well, no. I'm just going to wait here. I'm not looking around for him anymore. Or should I hide? What the fuck? I should hide under there. I don't know. Do you think I'll fit? Oh, there he's there. he's up there. You been trying to find me? Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello. Hiya. Hello, little doggy. You like that?
That cat is no ass one bit.
Oh, you like that in the bum. Hiya, pal. Hello. 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 Yeah. Hello. I've got the magic touch here, watch. Yeah. Oh, come here. Oh, you like that? You like that? Oh, I don't actually like cats, you ken that. Right, I'm going to leave you. Ew, you got me all hairy. Goodbye. Goodbye, my fellow feline.
Chunky. But he lives a fucking...
Oh, he's all sad. He's all sad that I'm leaving him. Feel Shan, you want to take him?
No,
Yeah,
let's
just-
not take him.
To be honest, I don't want him anyway, I'm allergic. We spent way too long fucking about in there, so we're going to go to another wee church round the corner. And I can't see behind me, so I'm just going to need to go for it.
What's up, guys?
Oh, I got that standing up.
Only Grains back here with another.
Hell yeah. You can swim in the water, but stay away from algae and scum. Didn't be swimming next to me in the water then, eh? Oh no. It's another one. No unauthorised professional filming. Gonna turn back. Andy, bro. Gonna go home. It says no unauthorised professional filming.
There's fuck all pro about you, mate.
I thought I'd come into that bracket, to be honest. I just bumped into some German guy and asked him if I was allowed to film here, and he just turned around to me and went, "Not here." Here, doggy, doggy, doggy.
That's so bright.
That's minted though, eh, with the silhouette of the castle. This is me and Andy's romantic walk into the sunset. Oh, he didn't want to hold my hand. Why no? That dog with that eight, that wee tiny thing alive. Look at that one. Breakfast. Look at him. She heard me say that Doug was going to get munched. She wasn't happy about it. What a spot though. Minted here, like, eh? What do you think, brother? Do you think it's cool? Aye, there's some more high windies with nothing in them. Don't know what that's got to do with anything, like, but high windies. What a fucking interesting video. Takeshi Castle around here, I don't think. Oh, is there one of them in the ground? Let me go over here. Mate, this is fucked. Oh. Andy is never making that. Absolutely never. A wee bit on the left, next to that, Jan, there's like, see, no, next to the corner post that your hand's on. That bit of grass. No, the bit of grass below it. Aye.
On the left?
Eh? Aye, it's my left, sorry.
Oh, that's long.
Okay.
Oh, that's long.
There's nothing I can do apart from like, get the fence a push.
Oh, that's a long.
I know the wee short legs are going to struggle with that, like.
Oh, that was long.
What do you want to do? Chap the door?
Shut the door.
Listen, let's go and chap him then. See if he's coming out for a game. Game of Kirby. You alright, John? You in there? Right, I'll give him a chat, bud. Sorry. Computer says no. Right, we've came up with a plan. So there's about 15 folk there taking photos. And Andy is going to strip naked and moon them for the photo. Go on then. Get it done, son. You try to hang around and wait for that.
I like.
Oh, the wee terrace is shitting. Oh, look at that little white moon. That's the sun away from it now a bit. Still looking good though. But seen it, been it, seen it and done it. And I'll no be back.
I'll no be back.
Because that's enough for me. That's enough for this National Geographic channel. No more. So Andy's just having a wee look now. These mountains behind me here. These were the ones we were meant to climb this morning. But it was an eventful night.
There.
In the far distance.
That one there.
You can see the track up to it. So that one and that one. But next time we'll get them. Come on, pal. Oh, don't let that tongue at me. Get over here. He's getting closer. Here, sheepy, 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 sheepy. Right, Andy says he can do 35 pull-ups. 35, you said it, mate. 35. You said it. 1. 2. 3. You only done fucking 3.
You go.
I said I wasn't doing this. Can I do that way?
No. Same way I did it.
Oh, mate,
Hey, all the way down, all the way down.
I'm like fingering it.
I thought you had like better get than me.
Oh, finally. We are back. And it's finally time. I'm absolutely starving. I'm going to have my wrap. Yo, I really like that curry. No, that kind of wrap. Chicken Caesar. Bye. Down goes the sunshine for another day. Another day, another dollar, as they say. But we're going to start heading back home. It's a yellow warning for the morning, so there's no point hanging about because it's not going to be good. Calendar Tesco it is, because that's the usual stop. Can't beat it. Best shop in the world.